Looks fresh.
Mm-hmm.
There won't be any prints out there. There's that leaf litter. I mean, there might be impressions. But...
Yeah, it'd be hard to find any special print.
See it?
I'll see that, yeah.
I don't know if that's natural.
Oh, that's actually nice.
Mm-hmm.
That structure?
Yeah. I'm going to take a picture of it.
Yeah. Okay, it is. The banana spiders are going to start coming out.
Ugh.
This is nice. I love the...
Oh, I love.
Way.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No,
I have to show you guys pictures. Like my cousin, same thing. Same thing.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm going to take a see. Look, there's a bank right there, man. I wonder if there's prints on there.
That's how I found the arrowhead.
Oh,
Was
you
down
found an arrowhead?
in Kentucky,
oh,
though.
Kentucky, yeah.
But like in this, I dug it up in the water.
Oh, did you?
Yep, that's how I
Got an
found one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, let's cross and
Let's
go
do
over
it.
to
There's a bank right there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for sure. See, some use that. Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. That creek's right there.
Nice.
Rubber side.
Yep. Ah, you know they gotta be back in here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Some oranges. No, is there an orange tree right here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see it.
See a couple drag marks again. It's probably a tail.
Right here.
Yeah.
Gator tail slides?
Yeah.
Or?
Okay. It's probably what did this stuff, the feet.
Oh, it's back legs.
Yeah.
Hmm.
That kind of looks interesting.
The end of it.
I would film that.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Take a picture of that one.
Yeah. It's you can't really get them on a camera though.
Yeah.
That one.
That's good.
And this one, yeah, you can kind of see. I could see right here.
Yeah, they're not bad.
From here, like you said, and then right here.
And when you can't go down and do it, you know.
Yeah. There's a rock here. Yep, they're all movable.
Mm-hmm.
Very interesting.
Yeah, just the way it's sitting on the top of it. Yeah.
Take a photo of it.
Mm-hmm.
Good catch, Pam.
Yeah, well, it is kind of cool looking.
It is cool. And what's funny is there's two trees that are arched up top there.
Oh, yeah.
See them?
Yeah.
They're X'd up there.
Oh, yeah.
If that's,
It's pretty cool.
if skunk ape did do that.
Pretty neat. That's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
Branches are all intertwined.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I don't think that's natural. Well, it could be natural, but here. Very interesting.
Looks like two of them. That one could be right in there, too. You know?
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
That is really.
Yeah. Chris Ron Hard and Chris Connor.
Oh, okay. Uh-oh.
Bottle?
Yeah, there's a couple old ones there.
Oh, that looks like a moonshine one. Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Glass. This might be his stuff though. I ain't messing with that.
No, it's history there, man.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
That's where you leave other people's stuff.
Yeah,
There.
absolutely.
I don't.
Especially if it's a moonshine thing. You know, could have been here forever.
Yeah? You never know. When he comes back here, you expect to see that, though.
No. I should put this here, but you'd have to tell him I left it
What's that?
for a gift.
Yeah, you can. if you
Yeah,
want to, yeah.
you could tell him, okay?
Yeah.
And I'll leave it.
Yeah,
You don't want to carry it.
yeah, we'll film.
Love you, Kathy. Love you like a sister, but
I'm going to take a picture.
I'm done with you.
I'm going to take a picture
Yeah,
of it.
take a picture. Pam said,
Pam left it there. Since you are here.
oh, I think she's good on bottles.
Oh.
And
Yeah,
Kenny,
same
too.
video.
Her husband, too.
Oh, he likes that stuff.
Oh, he hunts them in the woods.
I believe that, too.
Well, Tim, you got some good areas.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is an awesome area, man. I was watching the video. He was doing all the experiments here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, if y'all don't mind, I want to do some more.
Yeah.
Do it.
Let's do it. Yep.
He's very thorough. Like,
Oh, I know.
very science. I love that, you know.
Science.
He learned.
This is on keepers.
Yeah. What do you have that on? 68?
68 hertz.
Okay.
I don't know if y'all saw my video when me and Joey were sitting at
Yeah.
the Devil's Creek. That little thing came in and started flying all around.
That orb.
That was
Yeah.
actually pretty cool.
Yeah, I saw that.
Uh-huh.
It was pretty neat.
The black and white video was going all over the place.
And that's happened after you had that on?
It's changing shape.
Yeah, when I had this playing.
Okay.
That was a little bitty thing. We were sitting by the river. We were sitting, I was sitting
It's
like
changing.
this. It came in, it started flying little circles like this, and was over here beside my hat and my camera.
Nice.
And
Okay.
I told them the camcorder.
Camera
All that.
tour.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave this on and run for a minute then.
Okay. Gotta turn it back on.
That was the most recent video too.
Yeah, it's actually
That's
good.
Yeah, I see. And of course, they found those juvenile footprints in the
Yeah.
bank when they casted them.
Yeah.
That was like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, turn it off.
Let's just see if we can catch something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm taking pictures. Just
Okay.
for keepers. You never know.
Okay. Good. Good.
Yeah, we've heard about something over here that way.
Yeah. It's nice back in here.
Yeah. Got the EMF.
Good. Anything?
Little spike, that goes right down, nothing major.
Yeah. Nice area. Really nice in here. Quiet. There's so much they can hide in.
Yeah.
When you look around, if they don't want to be seen, we're not gonna.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah.
Yeah, it's snapping the bottom there.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
Is that a tree fall though?
I don't know. What is going on with you? Is it in there? Okay, thanks, Tim.
Snap. That's not, I thought it was like a root.